Yes, all are here. Unnara? Now, yesterday మనం ఈథర్ క్లీవేజ్ లో మాట్లాడుతున్నాం, హెచ్ఎక్స్ క్లీవేజ్ అంతే కదా, హెచ్ఎక్స్ క్లీవేజ్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ రియాక్షన్ విత్ హాలోజన్ CH3CH2. I'm taking diethyl ether. So whenever diethyl ether reacted, chlorine dark condition, chlorine sunlight. So here this position is called as alpha, here beta, here alpha, here beta. Whenever dark condition is given, here alpha is active position, alpha is active, okay. At alpha only substitution reaction, halogenation, then CH3CH, here Cl, O, here Cl, CH3. Whenever sunlight is given, all hydrogen in the like this substitution reaction, free radical substitution. Now all hydrogens are there, that is perchloro diethyl ether. All hydrogens are replaced by chlorine, that's why perchloro. Here ethyl, here ethyl, two ethyls are there, that's why diethyl ether. Like this chlorine is given, then your answer. Similar way, here CH3 CH2O, CH2 CH3. In this case, air by sunlight oxidation, air by sunlight oxidation, aerial oxidation, okay na. Now the oxidation occur at alpha carbon, free radical oxidation, just free radical substitution, then you will get peroxide, then you will get peroxide, okay na. Like this, here OO bond in place of alpha hydrogen, here OO bond is there, peroxy bond, peroxide is there, peroxide. Like this ether reaction. Next one, aromatic ether, particularly anisole, methoxybenzene. Whenever aromatic ring is there, you can expect what? ES, aromatic electrophilic substitution, EAS, aromatic electrophilic substitution, okay na. Aromatic electrophilic substitution. Here aromatic electrophilic substitution ante meeku telusu, nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now we'll write those reactions only here. Anisole, anisole. First one reaction, HNO3 plus H2SO4. Nitration reaction, H2SO4. Sulfonation reaction, bromination, halogenation. Here alkyl halide, particularly methyl halide by Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Next, Friedel-Crafts acylation. General reactions, Nana. These all are general reactions. Okay. First, nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation. Now, in this case, electrophile attacks, which position, Nana? Whenever OCH3 is plus Me, electron donor, donation more rate ఎక్కడ అనుకున్నాం? ఆర్థో పారా. OCH3 strong donor కదా, resonance రాస్తే will get density at ortho and para. That's why electrophile attacks at ortho or para. That is called as OP director. OP director. Okay na? Means electrophile attacks at ortho para, but slightly OCH3 is a bulky group. That's why electrophile readily attacks para. Here two products are possible, ortho and para. Just I am writing electrophile, ortho, para. That's all. Nothing change. Electrophile ever gurtupattandi, you write it ortho para. Sulfonation SO3H group. Then answer SO3H bulky group, not at ortho, maximum at para. That's why here para major product, ortho minor. Bromine by FeCl3 also same thing. Bromine by water also same. Here electrophile attacks at para, then ortho. Para ortho. Methyl, Friedel-Crafts alkylation also same. What is the electrophile, Nana? Here CH3. నేను ఎనిసోల్ ఏమనట్లే, ఉన్న ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ ఆర్థో పారా రాయండి అంతే. మీరు కొత్తగా రాయాల్సిన అవసరం, జస్ట్ హైడ్రోజన్ ప్లేస్ లో ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ రాయరి. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ CH3. ఇందులో ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ ఎవరు? ఎజైల్ గ్రూప్. ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ ఇస్ ఎజైల్. OCH3 as Nana, here at para position azyl group. So like this, anisole is given. In anisole you can write aromatic electrophilic substitution, and with respect to benzene ring, Nana, wherever aromatic rings are there, generally we are expecting these are special reactions are there, Riemann-Tiemann reaction, those also there, but those are in only more reactive compound, not in all compound. More reactive compound. Okay, now tell me answer. OP director. Nitration means electrophile NO2, that's why I am writing ortho para. Sulfonation, you know electrophile. What is electrophile? Neutral SO3, Nana. But finally we are adding SO3H. Finally we are adding SO3H. Para ortho major para. Bromine by FeCl3, brominate para ortho. CH3Cl, AlCl3, methyl group at ortho para. Ortho para. Here para. Next acylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Like this here, different reactions are possible. Different reactions are possible. Okay na? Srikanth, Saidilu. Now answer. In a nature carbon. Okay na? Like this here we can write reaction. Then answer. So you see all reaction, ortho para director, electrophile added at ortho para. Okay, so like this we can write ethers. Now reactions of the glycol, Glycol, you know, CH2OH. Two OH groups are there. The system is glycol system. Okay, glycol. Same alcohol reactions only, but we'll write 2 moles. Glycol for only entrance point of view, not for regular intermediate. Glycols are particularly for entrance, purely entrance. All entrance purpose. Now, different reaction I am writing. Reaction with Na. Okay, na? Now, reaction with PCl3, alcohol reactions. PCl5. P plus to I2. HBr. HI. HBr, HI. Okay, na? Now tell me answer. Here we know here hydrogens are acidic. Hydrogens are acidic. That's why Na is nothing but what? Base, nana. This is base. Here OH, H is acidic. Now acid base reaction, salt formation. CH2ONA, CH2ONA. PCl3 means nucleophilic substitution in place of OH. You know OH plus a PX3. What is our answer? In place of OH, you write X. Finally, alcohols are converted alkyl halide. Alcohol, alkyl. Here, 2 OH groups are there. Just in place of 2 OH, you write Cl and Cl. PCl5 also same answer. Cl, Cl. Pi, I means what happened, Nana? Here iodine, here iodine. But yesterday I explained, whenever iodine and iodine 1, 2, then immediately I2 released. Here I2 released, Nana. I2 release means what is our answer? Ethene. So phosphorus plus I2, remember Pi3 given, main product ethene, Nana, ethene, not iodides. Ethene. HBr given, CH3, CH2, here, Br, here also Br. HI given, Nana. Wherever OH is there, at that place you write I. But you know, I is given, immediately what happened? Here 1, 2 position, I2 released our product ethene. But the reaction will not stop. With the P plus I3 reaction stop. Pi3 not added to double bond, but HI added. No. HI added means again here for this double bond, H is added to 1 carbon, iodine added to other carbon. Then our answer CH3, CH2I. CH3, CH2I. Okay, na? Like this CH3, CH2I you will get. Ethyl iodide is the final product. Now how many moles of this one? Here 2 moles of HI, here 1 mole. Total how many moles? 3 moles of HI utilized. Integer question. 3 moles of HI utilized. Like this, glycols are given. You can write reaction. Alcohol reactions only I am writing, not new reaction. But here 2 moles involved, there 1 mole. Okay, na? Next, oxidation reaction. Glycol. In this case, heat is given. Anhydrous ZnCl2 given. Concentrated H3PO3 given. Or PO4. First, in this case, Heat is given, no? Whenever heat is given, Nana, heat is there. Just removal of water. Heat is given, removal of water. Here OH, here H. Whenever water removed, then our product is epoxide. Vachira. Okay. చెప్పు ఎవరెవరు వస్తారన్నా? ఓకే ఓకే. మరి మీరు బట్టలు తెచ్చుకుంటారా? మరి స్నానాలు చేయాలి కదా. ఓకే సరే రండి, నేను వస్తున్నా. ఓకేనా? Now epoxide is the major product. Epoxide. Whenever ZnCl to given, here removal of water like this. ZnCl to C, here OH, here H, C, OHH. Water removal. Whenever water removed, we'll get vinyl alcohol. Here water removed, vinyl alcohol. But we can write tautomers. Here the double bond shifted here, Nana, H shifted tautomers. Then our answer CH3, C double bond H. This is the acetaldehyde. Here acetaldehyde. Next one H3, 2 moles of this one involved in the reaction. Glycol, 2 moles of this one involved. Then removal. Here water, any dehydration only. Removal of water. Then you will get dioxane. Okay na? So dioxane. Like this ethylene glycol dehydration also you can write. Ethylene glycol dehydration. First one reaction, then dehydration. Now glycerol. Whenever glycerol is given, glycerol means 3OH group, Nana. Glycerol, 3OH groups. Here CH2OH, CHOH. We can say this is glycerin, glycerol or glycerin. Same here also 3OH groups are there, 3OH groups. Now like alcohol only a reaction, like alcohol only a reaction, Nana. Clearly right. Glycerol, similar way reaction with Na, reaction with PCl3, PBr3, reaction with Pi3, reaction with the PCl5. Then answer. Now same Na given acidic nature, here Na, here Na, here Na. Salt only. Na means base now. Na means base, here salt formation. PCl3, no, you know, nucleophilic substitution. Here OH plus PX3 means you will get X. OH is substituted by X. So 3 are there in place of 3. Here Cl is there, here Cl, here Cl. PBr3, answer. Here Br, here Br, here Br. Nana. In place of 3 OH, 3 Br. In place of OH Br. Pi3. Now reaction CH2, CH here CH2, here I, here I. But immediately what happened? I2 released. I2 released. Whenever I2 released, we'll get, this is answer, allyl iodide. Further double bond is not added. Pi3 not added to double bond, remember. Pi3 is not added to double bond, remember. HI we can add, but for double bond Pi3 not added. Further reaction is not there, remember. HI reaction, Pi3 reaction, lot of difference. Lot of difference. Now PCl3 reaction, PCl5 reaction similar. That's why your answer. Remember here allyl iodide, Nana. This is very important. Allyl iodide. Small abnormality there. Carefully observe. Okay, Na reaction, PCl3 reaction, PBr3 reaction, Pi3 reaction, PCl5. So just OH plus nucleophilic. Now further reaction I am writing, continuation, reaction with HBr, reaction with HI. This is very important. HBr means directly you can write here Br, Br, here also Br. Okay, na? Now HI is given, Nana. First, how many moles? 3 moles utilized. Here integer question. Yesterday I explained very clearly. Here I, here I, here I. HI, this is HI. Whenever I is immediately removal of this I, adjacent, vicinal, I2 released, you will get what? CH2 double bond here, CH2 I, Nana. Again what happened? Further one more HI utilized. Addition, Markovnikov role. Here I. Here also I is added. Now here H. HI now for this alkene double bond, carbon-carbon double bond. For one carbon H, for other carbon I. That's why you will get. Again after this you see, what is their answer, Nana? Here adjacent I2. I2 released, you will get propene. You will get propene. Propene. Again propene. For this propene you can add one more HI. Markovnikov role. H plus added CH2. Iodine added CH. Hydrogen added CH2. I added middle carbon. Then our answer I. So that is isopropyl iodide. This is isopropyl iodide. Total how many moles, Nana? HI Here 1 mole, here 1 mole, here total how many? 3 moles. Total what? 5 moles of HI utilized. Means here, once again I am writing ethylene glycol. Here very important question is there, integer question. Now 5 moles. Finally, what is our answer? Isopropyl iodide. Isopropyl group, Nana. This is answer. How many? 5 moles. Here integer question. 5 moles are there. 5 moles. Remember. 5. Like this here, glycerol is given. For glycerol, so you can write nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution. Next one. అందరికి మంచి కొట్టిరా ఓకేనా then answer next one, glycerol. Dehydration, nana, removal of water. So here potassium bisulfate. Okay, in this case answer C. Once again I am writing like this H, here OHH, C, OHH. Now what happened here? Removal of water here, removal of water. 2 moles here, 2 moles of water, carefully observe. Glycerol dehydration, nana. చూసుకోండి జాగ్రత్త. 3 2 moles రిమూవ్ అయితే ఏమైంది చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది CH2 double bond C, double bond C, OHH. But immediately tautomar, these electron migrated here, whatever hydrogen transferred this place, then our product formation, what is our answer? Vinyl formaldehyde, common name is called as acrolein. Very important, very important. Hybridization concept here, very important. The name acrolein, like this. So dehydration, glycerol. So here glycerol dehydration, reagent is a potassium bisulfate, nana. Here removal of water, you go like this. Here water is removed, then what is the product here? Acrolein is the product. Acrolein is the product. Acrolein. Acrolein is the product. Acrolein. Okay, na? Now next answer. Tell me, nana. Okay. Okay, na? Like this dehydration reaction you can write. So this is about glycerol. Phenols, ethers, and this one. Now test for alcohol. Identification test, very important test. Alcohol test. Test for alcohol, that is differentiation of primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary. You know, whenever RCH2OH, only one branch is there, alcohol is primary. Or CH here, OH, this alcohol is secondary. Here OHR is there, this alcohol is tertiary, nana. Primary, second, tertiary alcohol. Like this, different alcohols are there. Now, given alcohol is whether primary or secondary, tertiary, I will identify. Okay. First reaction. Lucas test. So here reagent is a HCl by ZnCl2 is called as Lucas reagent. HCl plus ZnCl2 is called as Lucas reagent, nana. By using this test. So any alcohol is given like this. Any alcohol reaction with HCl by ZnCl2. You know, just a substitution reaction. These all are over. I'm writing again here OH place lo ever rayale Cl. Like this is the reaction. But the formation of alkyl halide different. Here primary one. Here RCH to Cl. Like this reaction. Secondary alkyl halide will get in secondary alcohol. Your secondary alcohol will get alkyl halide secondary. But this secondary alcohol is in the solution test here turbidity forms. Means chikkaga undadam. Turbidity means chikkaga undadam. Clear solution ante clear ga untadi. Ila unte clear solution. Like this is there. Atu salt కాదు ఇటు లిక్విడ్ కాదు మధ్యలో ఉంటది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా గులాబ్ జామ్ తిన్నారు కదా, గులాబ్ జామ్ లో సిరప్ ఎలా ఉంటది, థిక్ గా ఉంటది కదా. ఒరిజినల్ గా క్లియర్ సొల్యూషన్ కాదు అది. సిమిలర్ వే మీరు మజ్జిగ తీసుకున్నా కూడా దట్ ఇస్ నాట్ క్లియర్ సొల్యూషన్. దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే not clear solution, that is a turbidity. So here white turbidity forms after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes. అంటే ఈ రియాక్షన్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఆల్కహాల్ కి మనం లూకాస్ రియేజెంట్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఆల్కహాల్ కి లూకాస్ రియేజెంట్ యాడ్ చేస్తే స్లోగా టర్బిడిటీ ఫామ్ అయింది. అలా స్లోగా టర్బిడిటీ ఫామ్ అయినట్లయితే ఇక్కడ ఆల్కహాల్ సెకండరీ. ఇయర్ నో టర్బిడిటీ, చిక్కగా ఉండదు, క్లియర్ గా ఉంటది, అంటే అది ప్రైమరీ ఆల్కహాల్. అదే టెరిషరీ ఆల్కహాల్ అనుకో, tertiary alcohol, what happened? In place of OH you write Cl, nana. Here turbidity immediate ga vastundi. Here turbidity immediately. Like this, based on turbidity formation with the Lucas reagent. Based on turbidity formation with the Lucas reagent. Here we'll explain the given alcohol primary or secondary or tertiary. Turbidity immediate ga form aithe alcohol is a tertiary. Stable carbocation form cheseti anni kuda turbidity immediately. Now secondary alcohol turbidity after 5 minutes, no